In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enhance or how you can use Roblox in high performance mode. Now you have to note that while in high performance mode, much of your resources on your gadget will be used and these will also use more power. However, this will give you the best performance while you are interacting with games on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you're not receiving the best performance on your Roblox account, it means that motion reduction option is on. To get the best performance, go ahead and toggle this off. To toggle it off, go ahead and tap on more here and then head to settings. From settings, choose the option called device preferences, and from this scroll down until you see reduce motion. You can see this has stopped or reduced motion effects on your device or on your gadget, and this does not give you the best performance while you are on Roblox. To get the best performance, go ahead and toggle this off, and from now henceforth you will get the best performance on Roblox. So that's how you can get the best performance mode or switch to best performance mode on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.